here.
20 cc we can keep, 10 cc we can keep.
In from 30 ml syringe. Sorry, 3 ml syringe you can have.
Can 3 ml?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So this how with the fixing of the syringe house. So I'm turning on. Just press. So it will do the self test first. So it is fast now. It detects it's a BDs. So 60 ml shows. So because of the it have a sensor, so it automatically detects which syringe you are using. Okay, now it's BD. Say OK. And rate, you want to set the rate, you have to go and select OK. So
Up to 100, like yesterday you said.
Yeah.
Up to 100.
1500 the max you can set. It's depend upon your requirement. 1500.
1000 we can do.
Yes. Sorry. I think it's in micro infusion. For micro infusion, what is only maximum is 100. This is for neonatal or pediatric. If it is in rate mode, I will go to the rate mode now. Go to the rate mode. Now I am selecting rate mode. Now you can see. $1,500 ml. Okay. Once you select OK, it will you don't find any highlights. Then come down to VTBA. Then change whatever your requirement. If it is 100 numbers, you have to come to the third decimal and change. If it is only 20, 30 or till 99, you can do this like this. If you want to have some 0.5 or point, then go after this. You can change your numbers like 25 or whatever. Say now it shows 1 hour 13 minutes. Automatically it shows the time. To start, just press the start button. So you can see the status now. It's showing in green color with the moving cursor. It shows it is running at 1500 rate. If in between doctor wants to change, ask you to change the rate, only the rate, just press this. Press, you can see all the notification will be in the down. So go to OK and say he is asking to come down to 900 or whatever. So now it's sunset. You can see the speed changes from those minutes will be slower. Or else if you want to change completely in between, just say stop. It will come to fast. Modify parameters. You can see here. Press it. You can change everything. If you want to change only the rate, you just press this. You'll go. You can change it. Or if you want to change VTBA rate, you have to stop it and then you have to press this. You can change the everything. So say OK. So it turns. In between, if you want to have want to give a bolus, press this button. We do have a settings for doing bolus. There are two ways. Either it is automatic or manual. So it is at 1500. If you want to change the rate, also you can change. It's at 900 ml per hour. At 2 ml VTBA. So you have, as I said, you can see this is for auto bolus. This option. You have to select this for auto bolus. If you just press and hold this, it will do a manual bolus. So see, the color turns to blue. Bolus means blue. Green is normal. If I take the hand, it stops and normal.
Alright, it is going.
Yes. So if you press this, it is an auto bolus.
It's going.
Yes. So till the time it sets automatic, it will go and stops. That's it. And other than that, we have the VTBA done. So our whatever we set is done. So it shows whatever you see red color, main high priority, it will show in red color. If it is less priority, it shows in yellow color. And also you can see this notification at the top with the red color is high priority. That's it, sister. And this battery has 10 hours. Once it charging complete 100% is 6 hours and lasts for 10 hours. The battery can be changed by yourself. If the battery is you don't want to call biomedical, you can change by yourself. Battery is right over here. Just take it out. You can remove the battery and change.
So
Yeah.
that changing mode of the right.
Yes. Yeah. Go to menu. Once you press, you can select mode. Come to the select mode. Press it. Rate mode, time mode, micro infusion, body weight. You can choose whichever you want to have.
Type of syringe from where we can get it?
Are you sure?
هو ورانا BD something.
So once you put it, will automatically detects.
That one since I put it on. But now if it is on flow and dole and again it is coming.
Okay. I will take this out and show you. Okay. Press insert syringe to skip. Commonly used syringe. So these are the syringes which is already there. Bebron, BD, Terumo, the most commonly used. You can see here. These are the other brands. So commonly we have made everything and kept ready. If you don't want, you can just unclick it. Like if you don't want this, just take it out. Take it out. So this is commonly used. You have already. So next. Or if you want to name yours also, you can put either brand 1 or brand 2. And sound, like in the night, if you feel that sound, you will get sound because patient cannot sleep. Then you have to have an option called night mode. You can go and change the alarm settings, everything. You can see night mode. Just press this and you can set your time, like from 8 o'clock in the night till the morning 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. You can set your time. It is switched on now. So at night mode, the volume will be at 1 and the contrast will be at 2 there. So the dimness will be there, so they don't get disturbed. So this you can change. If you feel that you want to increase the volume, you can increase volume of the alarms, and also contrast can go. I'll set it to 3. Will be sufficient in the night. Then okay, and then just come out, press clear. That's it. And if you want to clear it off, go to the volume. Whatever you already infused, you want to clear it off. Let it clear. Just anything.
Then type of the set, connection extension,
Normal.
one.
Yeah, normal.
That connection it's no problem. But the syringe can
مانومتر.
any
الزرنج عادي.
And yesterday what commenting is bigger because the display, if you see compare with the other what we have, it will strip size. This is a 3.5 inch screen. You have everything notification here. So they have designed in such a way so that you can accommodate everything. That's the only reason. So then there is some advancement. There will be some different design. Is only thing. From my side, that's it. If you want to have